How to generate caption using Canva. Open up any browser of your choice, type in canva.com and hit enter to access Canva. Once you're on Canva's homepage, open a video document. For this demonstration, I'll select a 1080p video size. Next, navigate to the Upload section on the left-hand side. Click on it, then select your video from your computer. Let's wait for the upload to complete. After the upload is finished, drag the video onto the page and adjust it to fit perfectly within the frame. Go ahead and play the video.
To create images on Playground AI, click on the Create button located in the toolbar.
Notice that there are no captions yet. To add captions, click on the Text tab located in the left side menu, then look for Dynamic Text. Under this, select Captions. You will be directed to the Captions settings area, where you'll be able to generate captions for your video. Simply click on the Generate Caption button located at the bottom. Now wait patiently as Canva processes and generates the captions for your video. And as you can see, the captions have been successfully generated. Let's play the video one more time to ensure the captions are working correctly.
To create images on Playground AI, click on the Create button located in the toolbar. This will take you to the AI image generation and editing interface.
There you have it. Your video now has captions.